right, it's that time again, back at the Maple Motors lot, showing you guys all the brand new inventory that's so new, it's not even available yet. And because it's so new, we don't even have prices, but all these rides you're about to see will become available around noon on Monday. You'll be able to see that on the Maple Motors website, maplemotors.com. They'll be listed on there with a lot more details and the price. But in the meantime, if you want to inquire about the price on any of these rides, you can call Maple Motors at 615-822-4444. Might be able to get the price before it's listed. But for now, we're going to do a walk around on all the new rides. I'm going to show you under the hood, show you the interior. And I'd like to hear what you guys think they're going to be priced at just based on what you're seeing here. We're starting off strong on this side of the lot. We got several new rides in this row. First, you're looking at a 1963 Chevy Impala. Let's take a look. This week, you got your choice of Impalas. Right next door, we have another 1963 Chevy Impala. Let's take a look at this one. Next to the 63 Impalas, we got a 1965 Dodge Coronet 500. What do you think this one's going to be priced at? Let's take a look. All right, moving to the front of the lot here in Chevelle Row, we're starting with this 1966 Chevy Chevelle. This one's pretty sweet. Let's take a look at it. And moving on down the row, front and center, we got a 1964 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. This one's definitely a highlight of the week. What do you think it's going to be priced at? Let's take a look. And we didn't forget about you truck guys. Parked over here next to the office is this Chevy C10 Bonanza. It's got a camper top over the bed. Let's take a look. Hey, we got a couple of new Mustangs on the lot this week. We're going to start with this 1965 Ford Mustang in that classic Mustang red. Let's take a look. And over here in Corvette Corner, this time we got a 1966 Ford Mustang. Let's take a look. And we're going to wrap up the lot walk by taking a peek into the showroom. Let's see what they got inside. Let me know in the comments which ride is your favorite of the week. And once again, let me know what you think these will be priced at. I'm going to be reading the comments come Monday. I want to see who guessed the closest. Maybe we can do a shout out each week of whoever got the closest, or maybe you can win some free Maple Motors merch. I'll be brainstorming it here for now. Full of some awesome test drives for watching. Looking forward to it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss all the new inventory before it hits the market. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.